What are feedback loops? So there's a trilogy of books that I've written about feedback loops. Actually, they're still being written. What is a feedback loop? But first and foremost, what is feedback? Feedback is when you get information when you're pursuing a goal, get information of if it's working or not working, or how well your plan is working when you're going after a particular goal. So the goal is to get feedback sooner, not ignore the feedback, and have a period of time when you pursue a certain method to accomplish a goal, and then have a deadline. So two things. Have a deadline when if you pursue a certain method towards a goal, you have a deadline. By this time, I will assess and think about, hey, did this method help me get towards my goal? Did it go way below expectations? Did it get no results? Or did it, best case scenario, exceed your what you believed was even possible? So what I'm doing right now is goals I'm going after. I have a deadline where I try a certain method, get feedback, 3 months. So shorten the amount of time that you do get feedback before you assess, and then through technology, I make that assessment quick and then try another period of time to see if I should pursue that. So there's a feedback loop is the amount of time you give to pursue a certain goal and assess that feedback. Shorten the periods of feedback before you assess. But the other part that's so important, yes, limited amount of time, but if you're working a job and you're trying to start another career or something like that, or entrepreneurship, every day go towards that goal. And this is not just reading about something. You're going towards it when you're actually taking action. And that could be through education, but even then, shorten the amount of time. Get out there and learn through experience. So have a shortened period when you try a certain method, but get enough data. Go every single day through a certain method that you are experimenting to see if that is something you should pursue. Sometimes people stay with a certain method or a certain thing and they're not getting results and they keep on and on. Why? I've spent this much money. I spent years on this. Don't just hang into something just because you've stuck with it a long amount of time and you're getting no results. That can be very disheartening. So this is so there's a feedback loop trilogy. And what to do with feedback. There's a trilogy, 3 books being written right now. So, my mission, once again, at the end of every video, I am building a civilization of ideas, one chapter at a time, one book at a time, one trilogy at a time. So that is one of the concepts. And once a week, Tuesday night, I'll be recording and putting out the videos every Wednesday night. Something's going to happen soon. I'll be making a lot of announcements on a regular basis. So this, there's a lot of goals I'm working on. It's three main ones, but this channel will just focus on the books I'm writing due to technology at an unprecedented rate. That's only possible through today's tech and consistency. Last thing I'll say about technology. Remember what technology they came up with that we can take advantage of, no matter what that is. There will never be a technology that can give you what? Self-confidence. That cannot come from outside, cannot come from somebody else, cannot come from a motivational speaker or a motivational video. I'm not a, I'm not here for motivation. I'm here to give concepts from my books that you should take action on. And I will test what is from my books in the real world, see if I get real results. I've been on this journey a long time. It's a revamp of the YouTube channel because everything got dry and I was ready for a new way. But that's about all I can say. So once again, I'm building a civilization of ideas through writing these books, through technology. Once again, one chapter at a time, one book at a time, one trilogy at a time. Just keep on writing these trilogies. You'll see where things are going very soon. A little preview. All the best and do your best in everything you do. Have something that you really strive for. Good night. I'm going to read for half an hour and then need to get up early to accomplish some things I need to do. All the best. Good night.